Across the United States, a quiet crisis is unfolding. States that once thrived with booming industries, job opportunities, and growing populations are now struggling to keep their residents. Economic downturns, failing infrastructure, skyrocketing living costs, and even natural disasters are pushing thousands to leave in search of a better future. The American dream, once built on stability and prosperity, is shifting, replaced by an unsettling reality, an exodus from states that can no longer provide economic security. What's driving this decline? Some states face isolation and limited job prospects, while others are crushed under the weight of high taxes, crumbling public services, and housing costs beyond reach. The reasons vary, but the trend is clear. Families, businesses, and entire industries are relocating, reshaping the nation's economic and demographic landscape. In this deep dive, we uncover the 10 fastest collapsing states in America. Some may surprise you. Others may confirm what many already sense: times are changing, and not every place is keeping up. Could your state be next? Number 1. Alaska. Alaska, a land of rugged beauty and untamed wilderness, has long drawn those seeking adventure and solitude. But for many, the dream of life in the last frontier is becoming a financial and logistical struggle. While the state offers breathtaking landscapes and a lifestyle far removed from urban chaos, the harsh realities are difficult to ignore. The cost of basic necessities like food, fuel, and healthcare is among the highest in the country, largely due to its remote location. Job opportunities outside of fishing, tourism, and oil are scarce, and even these industries have faced instability. For years, Alaska has been steadily losing residents. While the extreme climate and long, dark winters deter some, it's the economic challenges that push people away permanently. With a shrinking population, tax revenue declines, making it harder to fund infrastructure and public services. Even the promise of annual oil dividends isn't enough to keep people from leaving. As young professionals and families seek stability in the lower 48 states, Alaska's future remains uncertain. Number 2. Mississippi. Mississippi, steeped in Southern tradition and rich history, is facing an uphill battle. The Magnolia State has long struggled with economic stagnation, ranking among the poorest states in the nation. With the lowest median household income and the highest poverty rate, financial opportunities remain scarce. Agriculture, once the backbone of the economy, no longer sustains the workforce, and Mississippi has struggled to attract new industries at the pace of its neighbors. Even with a low cost of living, many residents are leaving in search of better wages and a higher quality of life. Education remains a major concern, consistently ranking among the lowest in the country, while limited access to healthcare and deteriorating infrastructure make staying even less appealing. Young professionals in particular are moving to states like Texas and Georgia for stronger job prospects. Without major economic reform, Mississippi's decline is unlikely to slow anytime soon. Number 3. Louisiana. Louisiana, rich in culture, music, and cuisine, is facing an exodus fueled by economic hardship and natural disasters. Despite its vibrant traditions, the state has one of the highest poverty rates and a median income well below the national average. With a job market heavily reliant on oil, tourism, and seafood, economic diversification has been slow, pushing skilled workers elsewhere. Adding to its struggles, Louisiana is one of the most disaster-prone states, with hurricanes and flooding causing billions in damage. Many residents, unable to rebuild or facing repeated losses, are relocating to safer states. While Louisiana's spirit remains strong, financial instability and environmental risks are forcing many to seek a more secure future. Number 4. Oregon. Oregon, once a sought-after destination for those craving natural beauty and progressive urban living, is now grappling with a growing crisis. While the state boasts breathtaking landscapes and a thriving tech sector, its affordability is plummeting. Housing prices have soared, especially in Portland, where the cost of living has become unbearable for many middle-class families. High taxes and economic inequality are widening the gap between those who can afford to stay and those who are forced to leave. Adding to the strain is Oregon's worsening homelessness crisis, particularly in urban areas. The state has struggled to find effective solutions, frustrating both residents and business owners. While some industries remain strong, the job market hasn't kept pace with rising expenses, pushing many to seek financial stability elsewhere. Once an attractive place to settle, Oregon is now losing residents in search of a more sustainable future. Number 5. Hawaii. Hawaii is often seen as a paradise, but for many who call it home, the cost of living makes staying nearly impossible. The island's stunning beaches and lush landscapes come at a steep price. Housing costs have skyrocketed, with the median home price nearly 3 times the national average. But the financial strain doesn't stop there. Groceries, gas, and utilities are among the most expensive in the U.S., largely due to Hawaii's reliance on imports. For many locals, these economic pressures are simply too much. Tourism dominates the job market, but it fails to provide enough stable, high-paying careers for residents trying to build a future. As a result, many young Hawaiians are leaving for the mainland, where wages stretch further and homeownership is more realistic. While Hawaii will always attract tourists, without economic diversification, it risks losing the very people who make its communities vibrant and unique. Number 6. Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania, the Keystone State, has long been a symbol of American industry and history, but today it faces a slow decline. Once a manufacturing powerhouse, industries have faded, leaving struggling communities and shrinking job markets. While cities like Philadelphia and Pittsburgh remain vibrant, rural areas suffer from economic stagnation and fewer opportunities for young workers. The population decline is driven by economic and demographic shifts. With fewer high-paying jobs, many Pennsylvanians are moving to states with stronger economies. An aging population adds to the challenge as retirees head to warmer states like Florida and the Carolinas. Infrastructure issues, including aging roads and bridges, further strain the state. Without attracting new industries, Pennsylvania's decline is likely to continue. Illinois. Illinois, home to Chicago and rich in American history, is facing a troubling population decline. Despite world-class institutions, cultural attractions, and a diverse economy, many residents are leaving due to high taxes and financial instability. With some of the highest property taxes in the country and massive unfunded pension liabilities, the state's budget struggles have led to reduced public services, frustrating residents even further. Chicago, the state's economic hub, is also losing people as crime, high living costs, and economic uncertainty drive many to more affordable cities. While Illinois remains competitive in healthcare and technology, middle-class families find rising costs outweigh the benefits of staying. As more people seek lower taxes and a friendlier business climate, Illinois faces the challenge of stabilizing its economy and population. California. California, the Golden State, has long been a dream destination. With its stunning coastline, booming tech industry, and cultural influence, it has shaped modern America. But beneath the glamour, a crisis is unfolding. The cost of living is among the highest in the nation, with median home prices exceeding $750,000. Rent in cities like Los Angeles and San Francisco makes it nearly impossible for middle-class families to afford housing. Beyond affordability, California carries one of the heaviest tax burdens, with a top income tax rate of 13.3%. Businesses and residents are relocating to states like Texas and Nevada for financial relief. As major companies like Tesla and Oracle leave, California faces a growing divide that could reshape its future. West Virginia. West Virginia's story is one of resilience and struggle. Once thriving on coal, the state is now grappling with economic uncertainty. For decades, coal mining provided thousands of jobs, fueling prosperity. But as the nation shifts toward cleaner energy, demand for coal has plummeted, leaving many communities in distress. Job losses in mining have led to widespread unemployment, and efforts to attract new industries have yielded limited success. Adding to the challenge is an aging population. West Virginia has the highest median age in the country, with fewer young people staying to build their futures. Those who remain often struggle to find stable, well-paying jobs outside of mining. Without significant investment in new industries and workforce development, West Virginia's decline may continue. Number 10. New York. New York, the Empire State, has long symbolized ambition and success, but lately, more people are leaving than ever. New York City's cost of living is staggering, with rents averaging over $3,500 a month. High taxes and a tough job market make it harder to thrive. Beyond the city, the entire state struggles to retain residents seeking more affordable options. The fast-paced lifestyle no longer outweighs financial strain. Families are relocating to lower-cost states, and businesses are moving to friendlier markets. Despite its rich culture and economic power, New York's high costs fuel an ongoing exodus. Without major affordability reforms, the state's population decline will likely continue. America is shifting. Some states thrive while others shrink under economic strain, rising costs, and fading industries. The pattern is clear: people leave where the future feels uncertain. Can policies adapt? Will infrastructure improve? The answers shape what's next. For now, the exodus continues, and the story of America's fastest collapsing states is still unfolding.